From VOA Learning English, based in the Science Report. Recent study show extreme rise in worldwide sea level and Arctic temperature. The proceeding of National Academy of Science recently released the same level study. In solar sea level grow faster in the 20th century than in any of the 27th century before. The researchers say that from 1900 to 2000, sea level rose 14 centimeters. Progress wrote of Progress University in New Jersey in the late autumn, he called it the 20th century sea level rise, a strong dimension and conflict. The rise over the last 2 years has been even faster. The study showed that without a warming, sea level would have dropped by 3 centimeters and rise by 7. Co-author Stephen, a professor of ocean physics at the Boston Institute for Language Impact Research in Germany, he says sea level will continue to go up. How much and how long? The researcher level could rise more than a meter by the year 2100. Scientists from NASA and the National Oceans and Atmosphere and Administration the Arctic temperature study is found that temperature at the North Pole hit record high in January. This new comes after scientists say 2015 was the hottest year ever recorded. The scientists also had known a huge hot air of unusually warm water in the northern Pacific Ocean. They say it kept air temperature about 3 degrees warmer than usual in that era. For VOA Learn in English,